Hello everyone, this is my IT workshop. This video is going to be very short. The problem I'm having is I have connected a USB drive, but it's not being recognized by Windows. I disconnected, I connected back again, but it's still not working. So I'm going to go to Control Computer Management. We're going to go Disk Management. You can see I have two hard drives, and the third one is the USB. It's a 119 gigs. It's pretty big, a little big, well, depends. As you can see, it says offline. So it's not working for some reason, but you can see that right there it's being recognized. It's just not working. I don't have access to it. Well, in order to try to fix this, we're going to open a command prompt. We type cmd. We're going to issue the command diskpart to see if that works. Okay, disk part. It's going to ask me if I want to proceed. Yes, I'm going to close the other window. Now I'm going to list the disks. So this disk, okay, I made a mistake, a typo. List disk. As you can see, I have three, two online and one is offline, the one we have checked in the disk management. As you can see, I cannot even put it online. The option is grayed out. I'm going to choose this disk, select disk 2, and I'm going to try to put it online with a command. So the command is going to be disk online. Oh, it's not that one. It's the other way around. It's online disk. So when I press enter, it's telling me that object is not found, which is false, but because we can see the device in disk management. Okay, the next fix I'm going to try is I'm going to uninstall the driver for this device. So in order to do that, we're going to close this window. We're going to go to where is it? Oh yeah, device manager. I'm going to go to universal serial bus controllers, which is USB. I have many controllers. We are looking for the one that says USB mass storage device. This one shows up when you connect an external device, a USB device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it. I click on install, but guys, make sure you are choosing the right one, USB mass storage device. Okay, so after you have made sure that's the correct one, we're going to proceed and uninstall it. Right click on it, uninstall. Do you want to install? Yes. Okay, now as you can see, it has disappeared. I'm going to refresh it to see if it shows up again. Refresh, nothing is happening. So the next step is to physically disconnect the USB and connect it back again. So that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, I have put it back. Now I am seeing the device. I can see I have access to it. I have an alert. As you can see here as well, the item has come back, the USB mass storage device. Let's go to the disk management. As you can see it here, the three disks are saying that they are online. Okay, and well, that's, as you can see here, I have access to the USB now, the unit F. Well guys, that's technically it. It's a very easy fix if you have any problems with that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.